Hello, everybody. We're we're going to do a little work with the the unit here, Unit 3. You can get most of this in Alex, but I'm going to kind of do a little review here of the whole process. Try to keep it short. Okay, so we have our rectangular coordinate system, which consists of ordered pairs x and y. Okay, now these are ordered because whenever you see an ordered pair, for example, 5, 8, you know that that first number is the x, and the second number is the y. So in this case, x is 5 and y is 8. Now, what that has to do with this coordinate is called the coordinate plane over here. And we have in this direction a y-axis, and this is considered the x over here. Positive this way, so this could be 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. -1, -2, -3, -4, and then up. Positive 1, 2, 3, 4. Down, which would be -1, -2, -3, -4, and so on. Okay, so this is an example of plotting an ordered pair. For example, if you were told to plot this point 3, -2, you'd come over here and you'd count off 1, 2, 3 in the x direction and down 1, 2 in the y direction, and it would put you right here. That's the ordered pair 3, -2. So just don't mix up your x's and your y's, and you should be okay. Left is negative for the x's, and right is positive. Up is positive for the y's, and down is negative for the y's. Okay, these names here, this first quarter up in here is called the first quadrant. Okay, so these are quadrants. So when you talk about quadrants, you know you have the first, this is the second, this is the third, and this is the fourth down here. Okay, first, second, third quadrant, fourth quadrant, right in the center here of the whole business is the what's called the origin. Origin, it has coordinates 0, 0. That's the origin. Okay, so a point out here, for example, has coordinates. Well, we can read it off. We've got 4 in the x direction, so it'd be 4. And we go up 1, 2 in the y direction, so it'd be 2. So we write 4, 2. So that is the rectangular coordinate system. Okay. Now, I think that would probably be good for now. And I'm going to just kind of clear off some of this stuff here now. And make some room for some other things. Get rid of that. And this. Okay. Okay, so here we are back again. Let's see. Let's do a little practice here. We know how to plot points. Let's do an example of graphing. Let's graph a line. Call it a line because it turns out that the equations in this form, when you graph the solution set to this, which is an infinite number of ordered pairs, it turns out it looks like a straight line when you put it in the xy plane. So first thing, if we're going to graph a line, we need to find some ordered pairs. So we'll do that like so. Okay, so the first step is finding ordered pairs. All right, so here you're free to choose whatever values of x and y you want, as long as you only choose one at a time. In this case, since you have two variables here, x and y, you can pick one of them. So I'm going to pick x to be 0. If I do that, then that gives me this equation, which means y is 3/2. So here it is, 3/2. If I pick x equals 1, then I'll have 1 plus 2y equals 3. So 2y equals 2, and y would be a 1. Okay. Now, I can also, since I have x and y in the equation, I can also pick a y value. So I'll say, I'll pick y equals 0. That gives me this from the equation, which means x is a 3. Okay, so you can pick x's or y's if you have an x and a y in your equation. Now, a line is determined by 2 points. We know that from geometry. I have 3 points in my table here. I only really need 2 of them. So I have 3 points here in the form of ordered pairs. I only really need 2, but I can check to see if they all line up just to be sure. So in ALEKS, I believe you only need to plot 2 points to create your lines. Now, let's pick that 1, 1. It's right here. Okay, there's 1, 1. 3, 0. That's right here. Okay, 3, 0. Why does that keep disappearing on me? Okay. All right. 3, 0. There it is. Okay. Now, let's put that other one in there. 0, 3/2. That would be about here. Because remember, this is, let's try it again. Right there. It keeps messing with me here. I'm going to get this right. Okay, there. There's the third point. Now, I'm going to try to draw I need a line. Well, let's see. I'm going to move that. It's connecting these points. Okay, now I'm pretty close. My technology is I'm a little bit limited, but let's see. Maybe I can try that again. Let's try it again. I might be able to do better than that. Let's see. Draw. I want a line there. Okay, let's see if I can get this right. Here, through that point and extend it. Right there. Okay, that's good. Now, normally I would try to extend this, and I'll do this here, but it's going to be a very rough extension there. But I would extend that line outward. This is why they call it graphing lines, because the picture that you end up with is a line. That line represents all of the solutions to this equation. It's a graphical representation of all the solutions. Every point along here can be shown to be a solution to that equation. It's a solution because it will make the equation true. When you put the ordered pair in, put the x value and the y in, it will make it true. I found 3 points along that line, but that's enough to show the graph. We can extend it. That's all we need. So that's how you graph a line given in this form. Okay, now I'm gonna close up this video and I'm gonna start another video with a different example. I don't want these videos to become too long, so um, I'll put together a few more examples. So go to the next video and we'll do some more graphing examples.